How to measure butter without the use of measuring cups or spoons? This time I am going to present to you how, so just keep watching. This is an example of butter that I bought. It is 1 bar, which is equivalent to 225 grams. So I opened it up. This 1 bar of butter is equivalent to 1 cup. If you cut the butter horizontally in the middle, you will get 2 sticks, and each stick is equivalent to 1/2 cup each. Let us try to divide the butter into 4 equal parts like this. Each part you will get is equivalent to 1/4 cup. If you have 2 of 1/4, that is equivalent to 1/2 cup. And if you use 3 of 1/4, that is equivalent now to 3/4 cup. Let us now divide the butter into 3 equal parts like this one. Each part is equivalent to 1/3 cup. If you use 2 of this, that is 2/3 cup. And if you are wondering why I presented the 3/4 and the 2/3, that is because there are times that I encounter these questions, like what about 3/4 or how to get 2/3. So that is why I presented it, and that is how you'll get it. The next question is, how do you measure butter in tablespoons and in teaspoons? It's simple. Let us use these lines in the packaging as a reference. These lines will tell you exactly how many tablespoons there are in a cup of butter. See these lines? So you lay down the butter into its packaging like this, and let us count the portions. 1, 2, 3, 8. So this will tell you that each stick of a butter is equivalent to 8 tablespoons. And since a bar of a butter is 2 sticks, then a cup of a butter is equivalent to 16 tablespoons. So 1/2 cup is equivalent to 8 tablespoons. 1/4 cup is equivalent to 4 tablespoons. And 1/8 cup is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Now to get the teaspoons, you just divide 1 tablespoon of butter into 3 equal parts. Each part is 1 teaspoon each, because a tablespoon is equivalent to 3 teaspoons. I'd like to give a warning to everyone, especially if you're still learning to cook and new to baking. This product is available in the market, but be careful when you try to measure this using the techniques I mentioned earlier, because this product isn't equivalent to 1 cup. As you can see in the packaging, it is only 200 grams, while the one I use as an example is 225 grams. At the back portion of this, there are only 7 tablespoons, which means that each bar is short of 2 tablespoons. So what does that mean to you? There is a possibility that your product will fail if you did not meet the amount of butter required, particularly if you are baking. So every time that you purchase butter, always make sure that you check the labels. You can also try to use this simple conversion chart to measure butter. It's very easy. You have here already the sticks, cups, tablespoons, the weight, and the volume. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Till next time!